So you both are from data engineering, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The session in the evening, but at what time don't know. So
What? What? Which classes, ma'am?
data engineering related class.
Okay. Okay.
So I will confirm the time with sir.
Okay.
Okay. Mm,
Is it in evening, ma'am?
yeah, evening only.
Okay.
You are comfortable in I mean evening
Yes.
only, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
But I don't know about timings, so let me see. Okay. So I'm
But
going.
for my sister, it is going to be in the lunchtime, madam. What timing you're saying that is going to be after 12 o'clock?
I will tell you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. What is the time that so I will take? I will tell.
And Neeta Reddy is also in the data engineering, madam.
I don't know. So I have to
Okay.
ask her. I think she won't be joining us. She's in the work. I think. Don't know about her. In the afternoon, she is free. But we'll see. If she is joined, I will ask her. Okay. So yesterday, is it visible? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday you understood about up to this, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I will revise. Not this one. This I will explain with code. This all. I will
Okay.
explain code. So before this I will explain yesterday code. So first we have to install our NumPy library or package. Then we have to import that package. Because why we have to import? We have to use that function, predefined functions, right? So for that we have
Yes.
to import that package. Then I am taking one list.
One list.
So I am checking that is that a type of that?
Data type.
Yes.
Madam, 1 second, one. Can you go up, madam? Where you have in a way we are trying to insert the package. So this is the pip install numpy. So this is the requirement, madam. Already satisfied just by giving a pip installation
I
or input
already
numpy as np.
I already run this one though. That's why it's showing that one. I am revising that.
Okay, but
If you are,
function,
yes,
but the function is input numpy as np for pip.
this is the package name. NumPy is the package name. When you will
Okay,
come
import numpy as np.
you are in the end sessions, you are having package and modules concept. At that time, you will understand
Okay,
the module and package that are things. So package is nothing but it is a collection of functions and variables. So already we are defining some functions for this. You will understand at that time clearly. Okay. So
okay.
so we are converting that into numpy array, right? If you want to perform any operation in the Python, we have to use for loop. We have to iterate each value from the list. So instead of that, if we are converting that array into NumPy array, then we can easily uh, uh, easily we can do the all the operations like arithmetic operation directly into that list. So for example, so I want to add 100 to this list. So in the Python way, we are using the transformations concept in the comprehension method. So we have to use the for loop that all and we'll get the error. So to avoid this code, we have to convert that into NumPy array. Then we'll get the NumPy array elements. Then we have to directly, we can add that 100 into each element. So up to this clear, right? So these all are arithmetic operations only. So if you want to see how many dimensions are there in the list, we have to use ndim. Array name with ndim, dot ndim. Then this is one dimension array. So if you want to see size of this, that means how many elements are having that list, that will show this size. Using this size, we can find that. If you want to see len, just we have to use len of a. Okay. But, len of a. One, two, three, four, one. Let me check with 2 dimensions. Then we'll check. We'll get check with this also. Okay. So why we are using shape? Are you there,
Yes,
Imran?
ma'am.
To check the
Yes,
columns
ma'am.
and row, madam.
Yeah, rows and column. First as rows, second as
Rows,
column.
rows
Here
and
we
column.
yes, we don't have any. So sorry. First as columns, second is rows.
In NumPy we use length.
Yes,
Now in
columns we have 4. There is no rows. That's
yeah.
So,
why
madam, in real time, do we use with NumPy or without NumPy, madam? What do we have to work on more?
depends on
I
the
mean, the practice way.
depends on the requirement. If you are having many calculations, if our required project is having n dimensions, like list.
Hmm.
At that
Hmm.
time, we have to use this numpy. If directly we have the
Hmm.
table format, like if the given data in the file, we have to use file handling concept.
Okay, you're saying what I'm trying to understand, madam. If one list is going on, which is include the table, column, everything, so that we can go without NumPy,
Yes.
and when it is multiple lists is being used, then only we need to
We
use.
are using this numpy. If we are having
Hmm.
the data in the file, then how we can perform transformation on the? We have to use file handling concept
Yes.
to read the data from the file. First, we have to paste, right? So for that, we have to use that
Yes,
concept.
ma'am.
So that is the main difference. Okay. Up to this, you already know up to this. So you are stuck in this arithmetic mean, geometric mean, right? So normally in
Yes, ma'am.
Python, this you know how to write this arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is nothing but average only. How to find average total by
Total
count.
length,
So we'll get that one.
total by
I'm
count.
creating function for that. When we are coming to the NumPy concept, we
We are
are
using array.
in the yes.
First we converting into array,
Then we have to use the mean predefined function.
yes.
Mean predefined function. Then we will get that result. So in the geometric mean, what you have to do means normally this is in the Python. When coming to the NumPy concept, first we have to convert that list into what is our list? So here I am taking A. I'm taking this A. First we have to convert this into NumPy array. So in the function only I'm doing that one. So in the place of yes, A I'm taking X. Then I'm converting that into NumPy array. How we will convert using np dot array of that value, that variable. Then it will convert.
MP
So
dot array of X.
yes, I'm giving A for your understanding.
You have to change everywhere
Yes. Okay.
of A.
So now I'm converting. Then what you have the formula? Product of X. Product of X means multiplication, right? So check this once.
Hmm.
So I have the A as A elements 10, 20, 30. If I am using prod, prod predefined function for the multiplication, list multiplication. So I'm giving np dot prod of A. For this variable, I'm keeping prod of A function. I'm using prod of A. What it's doing means it's multiplying each and every element. So see this. 10 into 20, 200, right? 200 into 30,
600.
6,000.
6,600.
So it's multiplying every element in the list. So that is only I'm doing here. So NP dot, here we have to change product. Here what is the formula? Product of X, right? In the place of into, I'm keeping this function.
Prod.
If I don't have this function, what we have to do? P into A. Okay. So now what is this N? Number of elements. How can we find that? Using size. In the NumPy, we have to use size. So A dash size. Then you will
But in Python, we use length.
Length.
and length. Then we have to apply the formula here. So let us see. This is in the Python way, in the NumPy. So coming to the harmonic mean. So this is the Python style. I will explain, and you and you're asking for statistics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you and Diksha and Neeta Reddy, you all are asking this statistics. So I will take you one session for you all after this class.
Okay.
Tomorrow, is it okay?
After this today, madam.
Not today, tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I have to inform her. Diksha is saying after the class I will be okay, ma'am. And I have to ask Neeta Reddy. You are also saying okay after this class. Okay, let me think.
After
Even
this class, and
even you can.
anytime you can take, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then
Is it today or tomorrow, madam?
tomorrow, not today. I have asked him today. So in the NumPy style, what we have to do? We have to convert np dot array.
First, we need to
We have
convert
to
into
convert it
array, then
into
apply
then
the
we have to
formula.
apply the formula. So in the statistics, I will explain the formula things and all. Okay. Now just concentrate on three different functions.
Ma'am, in harmonic mean with NumPy, what we are doing here, at first we are defining harmonic mean, then we are converting into array. Then
Yes.
Rx is a variable we are taking.
Yes.
In the third line,
Very well.
Rx is equal to 1 by x.
Yes. In normally what we are doing here, we
1
have
by n we take.
comprehension method. Instead of using comprehension method directly, I am keeping that into 1 by x. It's this NumPy is accepting for by also, right? Divided by. Everything is possible with NumPy. But when we are
Madam,
using here, it will give the error. Yeah.
this is gonna be difficult to give an interview questions and answers? Can I pass? Can I pass the interview, madam?
They won't ask this all thing. They won't ask formulas. If they will give any formula, you have to implement with the code. That is your task.
I don't know, madam.
Are you getting my
Being a
point?
non-IT, it's
So if I am
yes,
giving
madam. I understand.
if I am giving this formula, you have capable to write this code
Okay.
using Python. That much. So you have to practice and practice, then you will get an. So this is the yesterday concept. So same like this.
This one, ma'am, in third line, Rx is equal to 1 by x.
Yes. So if see here, if I am
Yeah.
writing here directly 1 by x, what it will show? Is it
We are going to get error.
yes, that will take. Sorry. This is also same number. So I'm taking one more end. So that will take. because that is containing list, right? If I am directly using this divided by, it will throw the error. Why? List can't accept this divided by directly, because we have to iterate each value first. For that each value, we have to use this expression. So for that,
First expression, then follow.
yes, we have to use in Python, we have to use this comprehension method. Okay. But whereas NumPy, directly, we can use this, right? Why? We are already converting this X list into NumPy array, right? So what is the NumPy array? What is the main purpose? So it will add or multiply divided by each and every element in the list. Whatever we have array elements, it will add each and every element directly without using for loop. That is the main use of this NumPy. Okay. So once you practice, then you will be confident on this.
Ma'am, Rx full form?
Rx is just variable. So here, see, here we are using what we are using? Derivative.
Denominator. Only we are using.
Writing something. What is the formula for this? I will take harmonic number. So this is the formula. N by, number of elements by sum of 1 by xi. So here x is nothing but, n is nothing but this length. So we have to find this 1 by xi. How we'll get x means list. So we have to use for loop. So for that all elements we have to use 1 by I. That means denominator of x. Okay. So for this denominator, what we have to do next? We have to apply sum. Sigma means sum. So I am using that one. So numerator by denominator. So I will explain tomorrow.
So here, ma'am, then in NumPy, what we are doing?
Yes.
NumPy.
In which
This
case?
This is
This is in Python
in
code.
Python. In Python, we are using this, ma'am. In
Yes.
NumPy, what we are using? We are
We have
using Rx. Rx stands for what?
just I am keeping that name. Is it okay? No. Just I am keeping one name. Nothing is different. So that is okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Denominator only. Just I am keeping that R X. Okay, up to now clear, right? So I have to go this. Oh, 1 second. Did I start this recording? Okay. So what is our first thing? First, we have to come with single. Already you know single dimension. I already explained, but I will explain one more time. So with the code. So first, I am taking one single array. Single element. 10, 20, 30, 40. So what is the type of it? What is the data type?
List.
Yes. This is list. Okay. Now I am converting this into NumPy array. How can I convert?
np.array.
1 second. To the base.
np.array, then list. We need to write.
Okay. So here I am writing. Okay. So np dot
Array, then list.
X.
bracket open, then
So it is converted to numpy array. So if I want to see size of this array, if I want to see length of this array, number of
size of X.
so X dot size. So I didn't right. So we
No
have to
attribute
somewhere
size.
X capital X I am taking. Don't confuse. Here I am keeping capital X. That is taking list only. That's why it's not. Okay. How many elements I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is showing that one only. So if I want to see how many columns, rows, then
How many columns and rows? Spaces here, scroll this. And column and all. Shape.
yeah.
Shape of X. X dot shape.
So sorry, capital X. Smallest one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay. Next. We have to use len also here, but the len is taking only let me
Length is taking counting some.
see. So 4. Same only.
Or
If we are having
counting.
yeah, but it's quietly different. If we are having list of list, at that time it will take this first first one is one element, second one is one more element. At that time it will print two elements. If I have comma, one more list if I have, it will take 2. Let me see in 2 dimension. So if I want to see how many dimension in the list, then to see the dimensions, capital X dot and time dimension ND. Okay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Uh, so now we are. This is clear, right, for the single. So now I am going to take 2D array. So I am taking y equals 10, 20, 30. This is my first element. So in the second, 30, 40, 50. So I am taking like this. So comma. This is my list. If I want to find the length of the elements, then how much it will show? Or else if I want to see size, y dot size. Oh, sorry, we have to convert into numpy array. So first we have to convert that into numpy array. Then we have to perform this all of it. Or else it will show the error. In np dot array. First. So we
Np
have
dot array y.
capital X, capital Y I'm showing. In capital Y I'm showing this. Small y means this. Capital Y means numpy array. Okay. Now I want to see number of elements in the list. Okay, now capital Y dot to see the elements size.
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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So see now, if I want to find length
Madam,
list.
I'm getting confused. In length, where do we use the length then?
Yeah. I will tell you. Now you see this. Did you observe any difference? So
Two.
this length means this entire list. So take this as a
Okay,
one
one.
entire list. In this entire list, I have two elements. This list is one element. This list is one more element. So how many elements?
Can we understand list of list is two?
Yes. This is one. This is two. So that will
Two.
take this entire list length. If I am seeing,
And
it will show the how many elements in the list.
yes.
So whatever it may be,
And
singular.
why are we using madam before firstly when we want to find a size we are trying to give an attribute capital Y dot size. So we are getting 6 and why we are trying to do length first it is coming len then we are giving Y. So what is the difference in this madam which do you understand why we are using in the last of length and size we are using Y first?
Want to see number of elements in the list, we have to use this size. So
No,
I
I
have
understand, madam. Completely understand. Just I'm asking for in when we are finding a size, we are using y first, and when we are finding the length, we are
want to
using y at the
find,
last.
yes. Before this, we are finding the number of elements, right? In the formula.
Yes,
If we want to find number of elements, what we are using?
x dot size.
At this time, we have to use this size.
Uh-huh.
So number of elements in the list, we have to use this size in NumPy. In normal Python, we have to use len. But here len is different. It will show the list of elements, list of list elements. That means it's not taking this inside list elements. This total as taking one list. In normal previous classes, we are having only single list, right?
Yes,
At
madam.
that time, it's taking as 0th position. This row, this column. This is first position. This is second position, like that, right?
Yes.
So here also same like that, but how it will take means, so you will understand further. So let me complete this.
Okay.
You will understand next step, in the next step only. So next,
D.
Mhm.
Good morning.
so if I have the, so for the above only I'm telling, there's single, oh yeah, this is a single list, right? So for this single list, one second. So what is my single list? Capital X. So it is containing single list. So I want to convert this list into,
NumPy.
no, I want
It's
to
already
replace
in
this
NumPy.
element. I want to change this into two dimension. So we are having one function for that, that is reshape. So x dot reshape of, so how many elements we have? We have 2, 3, 4, right? So for the, it will take two rows, two columns, right?
Yes.
Two rows, two
Madam,
columns.
So I'm converting this into reshaping this single dimension into double dimension. At that time, we have to use.
Madam, to understand, madam, can I question you once?
Yes.
When the class was happening of two dimension, three dimension, four dimension, we learned it, right, madam? We didn't learn anywhere reshape, madam, dot reshape, because that was not in the code.
Yeah. Now only I'm explaining this class. In this
Oh
class,
my god.
before class,
Okay,
I didn't
madam.
explain. So if we want to convert this into double dimension, we have to
And
use this reshape
use
function. So I will tell
reshape.
you that we want to
Want to convert,
change dimension.
we want to change the dimension.
Then use
So the above what we got, madam, array 10, 20,
reshape function.
30, 40.
Yes, 1 second. So we have to use this reshape function. Yeah, what you are asking? Okay.
What I was trying to understand, madam, before what we got, the list, so that is not in shape. So we are giving in shape and making it into two rows, two columns.
No, our requirement purpose we have to change like that.
Okay.
That is depends on just we have to know this functions concept. So what it's doing?
Next.
Now, what is this Ravel?
Two dimension.
So first what we have done from
We
single
reshaped.
dimension to we are converting double dimension.
Yeah, two dimension
Yes.
2D.
Now we are converting the double dimension to single dimension
That's happened.
by using
Oh,
Ravel function. So just you have to remember this function's importance. So to change,
To change from two dimension to one dimension.
just you have to remember for the internet purpose. We have to use for Ravel function.
Ravel function.
This is predefined function for to change single dimension. Okay, you have to remember. I wrote here.
Yeah.
Then up to this clear, right? So now coming to the two dimension. So how to see for the two dimension already you know, right? Same that one only. How we can see before same that thing only. So now I will explain this two dimension with our real time scenario. So before class we have seen with this tomato, I mean vegetable market, right? So I'm taking that first scenario. This is only 2D, right? So I'm taking this one. So I will copy this one. I will keep there. Then you can understand. So now I'm copying here. So I want to explain that with code. What is our 2D requirement? We have to take the price. So that price is having two things. So I have the
day,
business, vegetable business.
day wise and
Day wise, day wise, I'm
products.
running my business with three products, three vegetables. What are those? Tomato, onion, and carrot. So how many things it's considered? Two,
Two.
day wise and products. So for this, what is the element I am taking? Price.
Price.
So I have to take this. So I am taking price. This price is containing two things, product and day wise. So same that one I am taking in double dimension. I mean 2D array. How can I take? I will show you. Before this, I will write. How many products we have? 3 products. What are those?
Carrot, onion,
Tomato.
tomato,
Spelling correct?
tomato,
Then
tomato, tomato,
onion. One more
onion,
is
and
carrot.
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 So this is my 3 products. And what is the next thing? Days. 5 days and
Price.
Days.
Days and
what are those? Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Thursday, Friday.
So I'm clearly writing here. So product in which direction it is having? Products in row directions, right? Product
Yes.
is row direction. Days are column direction. So I'm
Column.
Column
writing.
direction.
So I'm taking the product as row direction. Day as column direction.
Column direction.
So each element, what is each element is? Refers what?
Price.
Yes, right. Each element is price of product. So now I'm constructing price. I mean, this in 2D. To see this. So in the
Just of less.
first day, I mean first product. So I'm taking my tomato products price.
Can you put this the diagram first in front, ma'am, so that we can understand from where 100,
Is in
200,
front only.
150?
Same values. So I'm taking different values. So I'm taking this first one. That's why I'm keeping that diagram into above for your understanding purpose. So I'm taking these values first. 150, then 100, 170. I'm taking like this. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
So then I'm keeping comma. Same like this, I have to take 2 more. For the onion, then carrot.
Carrot.
So 400, 300, we will take any. So I'm just keeping that.
These numbers are prices are from the above, ma'am.
No.
So from
No,
where
no,
you're
no.
taking? Just assuming.
Yes.
Just for the topic.
So I'm just taking different prices each day. Just you take whatever you want, you just take. You can make it as 0 also. So, but that size should be same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That number of elements should be same. You have to keep that note. So then only it's showing correct.
Ma'am, you write it there, note, ma'am, so that we can understand that number of elements should be same.
Equal number of elements. Then. So for this, how can we see the dimension? Now you can tell me. For this, I want to see how many dimensions having this price. So for that, to see the dimensions for this price,
Right.
price dot
Price dot.
n
Uh,
n dimension.
Ending.
DIM.
ND means
So
dimension.
before this, we have to convert numpy array. See this
MP.
Yeah.
Numpy are.
taking list only, right?
NP dot
So
array.
it's not supporting. So for that, we have to convert this into numpy array. So I'm taking one
Price
value.
equal to P equal to
NP
NP
dot.
dot
Huh?
array.
Yes. Are you asking anything?
NP dot array.
No,
Then
madam.
list.
Price.
Price.
It's converted to number. So I'm printing that. Okay. Then we
Yeah.
check this.
Then and then
So P, we have to put P, right?
P.
Yes. It's showing 2 dimensions. So if I want to
It is it 2 dimension or 3 dimension now?
two list
No,
of
this is two
right
dimension.
list
List of list only.
list of list.
Yes.
Just to see the last one, last 2 lines and first 2 lines.
List of
List of list. Okay.
So firstly, if you wanted to see for the elements, we have to do it, convert that into MP numpy array, then we can check.
Yes. Otherwise, it won't allow. Without converting
Yes, yes, we got error.
the list, right? Already it's saying the error also that list is not having this ending function.
Yes.
So it will tell. So by seeing that, you have to convert. So here, what is this? First, first one, what is this? This is
Onion,
first list is related to tomato. Then
tomato,
onion.
onion,
Then
carrot.
carrot. Day wise, Monday,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm taking that one only. This is related to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Friday.
This is depends on product price. If you are seeing in row wise, that is product, tomato, onion, carrot. So from this, I want to access this 250. So I want to find, I will write here. I want to check price on tomato prices. This is onion price. Onion price on which date is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Thursday. I want to see this Thursday price. This Thursday onion price. So I want to see that price. How can I? So see this.
So do we use in this way, ma'am? NP dot array, leave it. Then we are using price P dot.
In Python code, in normal Python code, I will tell you how can we access. So this is in list, right? After
Yes, ma'am.
converting this
List.
Yes.
numpy. So I'm taking only this list because I want to show you in the Python way. So I'm taking only this price. Okay. So see this. So it's showing like this. Right? Is it okay?
So are we going to use expression and for loop?
No. But I will tell you with this only because it's showing it only. So see this. So what I want onion. Which row it is? This is related to tomato. This is related to onion, right? Which
Yes.
position this is?
Tomato,
Second.
Thursday.
So this is second row. But in the list way, what is the position?
Fourth position. Fourth
Yes.
position.
So we have to take price of first position. In the first position, it's already taking this first position. Next, what is it's taking in this first position? So this is taking next. So in this line, which day I want?
250.
Thursday. So count it
250.
Monday,
Thursday.
Wednesday, Thursday. Which position it is? 0, 1, 2, 3.
Third.
So we have to 3. So this is the Python way. So come to NumPy process.
NumPy R.
So by using NumPy.
P dot.
So how to access 2D
And
array,
in present test.
2D array in NumPy. So we have one formula array, that means array name of row index. Index only, but here we have to take row index. Same like that only, but we have to use in the square brackets directly. Instead of
Row index column, column.
column index.
Row index, column index.
So,
Array we need to write whole ARRAY, ma'am.
no. In the array place, array. What is my array? NumPy array. This is right.
P.
P.
So
P.
we have to take that variable. In the place of array, we have to keep that P. So for this, same question. Same this question only. Okay. I want to implement. So you have to tell me first in the array place P. So
P.
we are already converting, right?
P dot.
P of
P dot. P
P
of.
of
so
row index
row
first.
index.
Row index is second row. First row.
Yes.
0, 1. First row
So we have to take
and
first row.
third position, third column position.
Yes. So what we have to give?
P of 1, comma 3.
Yes, that is correct. Only.
250.
So we have in
Ma'am,
the
can you write them, ma'am, everything? 1 is for what, 3 is for what? And array of row index and column index is syntax. You write them, ma'am, so that we can understand.
onion,
The
right?
Yeah, on the above, array, row index, comma, column index. Just write it in the back bracket that it is a syntax.
Yeah, I read. Okay. In the yes, in the-
Syntax is equal to
Okay.
this is, yeah.
Next.
And the above on yes, Python, in Python, what we have used, ma'am, just write it there also. It will be easy.
Yeah, I wrote their Python code. Let I
Thursday price.
So it's all about in this what we are trying to understand, madam. Row dot
In
index
Python code,
to
we didn't
find out
wrote.
the column index. To find out the row index and column index, we have to use the syntax, which is row index, comma, column index.
yes. Same
Row
we
firstly,
are using, but here we have to keep in one single square brackets.
yeah,
Same only, right? See?
P of 1, comma 3.
Same only. But we have to
Just
keep
write it the index, syntax, ma'am, in Python code.
there is no syntax for this. Just we are taking the position wise. This total we have to take first position.
Yes, only write it as price equal to price of 1 is what, 1 is the position of what, and 3 is the what position. Just write it there.
Position showing the one.
1 is the first column position, and 3 is
First,
fourth column position. First row position.
after sending, you have to write in your own way. Because if I am writing, it's going wrong way. It's showing wrong way. Whatever you understand, after I'm sending, right? I will send right? Just you keep that here.
Just in bracket, you write it, ma'am, so that we can understand.
What I have to write? Tell me. First.
First row, Row position, yes.
First
First row position. 1 is for the first row position and 3 is a fourth column position.
column position.
Yeah.
So this is up to 2 dimension, right? So now I have to find. So up to now we are finding single value. Okay. Now I want to find multiple values. Like, so my task is like this. First, tomato, onion.
Madam, for today, it's enough, madam. Let's do more practice on that.
Okay. I will complete with 2D. Okay. We are having 3D also. That's why I will
Yes.
complete this. Let you have to try this once. You have to
But
go.
it is what is nothing, madam. I do understand it has to be, but what I'm trying to do is to practice. That's it, madam.
That is me.
Practice is the only thing, that is what I'm not getting the time to do the practice.
So
This many things just.
when you start practicing, you will get more errors. Try once. At that time, you will ask me more doubts because
I
students
know.
are asking.
And we have seen I'm doing multiple files. We got it.
Yeah, not only you. Many people are asking me in the office. Name.
Proslice.com.
If normally in Python, what we have to do? If we want to access multiple values, we have to use slicing concept, right?
Yes.
Yes.
For the single, if we want to access single value, we have to use indexing concept. So same like that way, we have to use.
Ma'am, we didn't remember ma'am slicing concept and indexing
Okay, 1 second, I will show you.
Just explain us once again.
I have one list. So in the indexing concept, I want 20. Want to read or access. Both are same. Read 20 elements
Yeah.
from A. Then tell me, how can I access? In positive way, A of what is the position of 10, 20? 0, 1.
1.
Just keep the. Okay. This is the
Okay.
indexing. If you want to access multiple values, I want, so if I have like multiple values like 40, 50. So I want to read 30 to 50. That means I don't want before this. I want 30, 40, 50. 30 to 50. When 40
We
is,
use colon.
yes, that is called slicing concept.
Yeah, 30 colon.
So by using slicing, we can access multiple values. So how? Tell me. Yeah. So
A
what is
of
it? 30?
A of
0,
0,
1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
2,
2,
2 colon.
2 colon
You
50,
give 2 colon also, it will give the entire thing. Yes, yes.
2 colon
Before this, I have to print what is showing. So, so before this, I am taking only 3 elements, right? That is taking. Now it's taking total. So see, 2 colon. So 2 column means from the 2, it will
30,
take
40, 50.
all the things. What is the syntax for this slicing?
Syntax position. In which we are asking them syntax?
Yes, I will tell you. Sort element, column, end element.
Okay.
Wherever you are starting, I want
Starting element and ending
to right?
element.
So I'm taking that position here, starting position. So ending second, third, fourth. But fourth is excluded, right? When I'm
Yes, sir.
keeping here, it's excluded. We have to, so when I'm taking this, it's excluded. That means it won't take this 50. So if you want to take 50, you have to give after
Right.
that number, after that index number. So like this. Once you have to practice this, I will keep here this one. Okay. Uh, where we are. So I will complete this one only. Tomorrow I will explain 3D. First you have to practice today this one. If you have any doubt, let me know tomorrow. So what I have to do? So I want to access, see here, for tomato onion prices. I want tomato onion prices on Thursday, Wednesday, sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So how can we
Yes.
take? What is my array name? P. P of, see this. Is it okay for you? Shall I continue tomorrow?
I will continue tomorrow, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Then I will explain this with reading. Tomorrow I will complete this.
Okay.
So meanwhile, you have to please hands on this.
Yes.
You have to understand this thing. It will take time because it's we have to remember this right. So it is taking time, but you have to once try. Okay.
Okay.
And even you didn't remember this also, you have to try this one also.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, you have,
Slicing and indexing.
how many ways we have? One is positive,
Positive. Okay.
then negative.
Negative.
Sir didn't
Now, what is positive indexing and negative indexing, ma'am?
sir didn't explain about it, or
Mm,
you are absent at the time.
I don't remember, madam, this indexing and the one which you are saying at the bottom also, madam.
negation indexing.
So explain. So for the positive index, I am taking. We have to take like this. So that means positive index means. So see here. So for this positive
Madam,
index,
can you
what
can you help me? Can you help me in the which class it was so that I can revise that, madam? For
I didn't
No,
remember.
it was not there.
Take the topic name. So I will
No, it
explain
was
now.
not.
Just wait. I will explain now. Just concentrate on this. You can understand easily. So see here. What is the position of this in positive way? So for the 10, 0, 1,
0,
25,
1, 2,
1,
3, 4,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. If we want to find 40, sorry, if I want to find 40, what is the position of 40 in positive way?
-1.
No, in
For
positive,
-1.
in negative way.
3.
Negative. 3.
3, madam.
Three
3.
of 3, if you give, yes, got
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
So if this is in positive way. No, we'll see in negative way. So can you take negative way? The opposite way,
Left
right?
sides from
Minus
left side.
2, minus 3, minus 4, minus
-1, -2, -3,
minus
-4.
5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 6. Okay. If I want to find same 40 in negative way,
Then it's going
-2.
to be 4.
see here
4.
40.
4, madam.
In negative way,
-2.
Okay, right.
1
2.
for 50, minus 2 for 40.
Hmm.
If I am giving 4, what it will give? Minus 4.
50.
We'll get it
-4 is
20.
20.
20.
Yes. This is in negative way. We are having negation also. What is the negation? Opposite direction of zero. Like negation of zero, negation of one, negation of two, negation of three, negation of four. So we have to take in opposite way. Negation four, negation three, negation two, negation one, negation
Negation 0.
zero. So if I want to find that spot in negation way, what I have to give?
1.
Negative negation of one.
Negation of
Asking in negation way, right? Negation of one. So we have to take negation one. Once you try this, you will get. Okay. If I want 50 in negative way, negative way.
-1.
Yes.
1 minus 1.
Yes. Mm. Like this, you have to try. Okay. And after this, you are having the operations also. Append, read, update. That all. I hope you didn't remember or you missed that class. I guess. That is also important. Okay. Shall I stop from here? So just you practice this
Hmm.
one. I hope you understand now about indexing, slicing. So I'm writing here. Just keep in note and try to practice. Okay. Okay. Thank you for both of you. And I will inform you timings and what about Nita Reddy, I don't know. I will ask her. Okay. And at what
Madam,
time?
more important, the timing is about my D only, madam, because
Yeah.
evening time, that is the lunch time for her.
Imrana, tell
Yes, ma'am.
what time will you available for this data engineering class in the evening?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
When you are free to attend this data engineering class,
The same time, madam, lunch time only she will be free.
but you are
I
having
mean lunch,
class also, right?
madam.
Ma'am,
So you have Python class also, right?
I
Yeah,
can't hear you.
after
After? Yeah, tell me. Okay, we'll talk personally, okay? That I will,
madam, after the class of Python, before the class of Python, you're gonna take Azure, you said, right?
yes.
Which is going to be lunchtime in UK, madam. Because normally of 7:30, there is around 2 o'clock. Okay.
Okay,
So
yeah.
you are saying that before 7:30 means that is going to be around 12 or 1 o'clock there.
So I will talk to you personally, okay? Later I will
Okay.
talk to you. Yeah, thank you for both of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for explaining us.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.